Class 9, Lesson 5, page number 37, 38 and 39. So at last the sun came out. The excitement is over. It was the color of the flaming bronze and it was very large. So this is the description of the sun. The sun is very large and its color is flaming bronze. Flame means like a fire. The sky around it was blazing blue. Blazing Bangla মানে হচ্ছে ঝলসানো, very bright. The jungle burnt with sunlight. The children released from their spell মানে তাদের যে আচ্ছন্ন ভাব, এটাকে ইংলিশে বলে incarnation, rushed out and yelling into the summertime. Yelling মানে shouting. They are also full of excitement. The sun came out and now they have almost become mad with excitement. Now don't you go too far. Their teacher called after them. The teacher is an experienced person. He or she knew it very well that the sun will last for only 1 hour. So he or she advised the children, not to go too far because they have only 1 hour. You have only 1 hour, you know. The children were running and turning their faces to the sky to feel the warm sun on their cheeks. They have not seen the sun for 7 years. And when the sun came out last, they were only 2 years old, so they had no idea about the sun. So they are trying to take the heat of the sun, enjoy the heat of the sun. They took off their jacket and let the sun on their arms. Oh, it is better than our lamplights, is not it? That the sunlight is better than the lamplights, much, much better. Another one replied that it is much, much better than our lamplights. They stopped running and stood in the great jungle that covered Venus. The jungle grew and never stopped growing. The jungle had spent years without the sun. It was the color of rubber, ash and ink. These are the color of the leaves of the trees, rubber, ash and ink. The children lay out laughing on the jungle mattress. Mattress means soft grass. They ran among the trees. They slipped and fell. They were playing as they like. They pushed each other and played hide and seek. It is a game. Most of all, they squinted মানে look at the sun with half open eyes. Look at the sun with half open eyes. This is called squinted. They squinted at the sun until tears ran down their faces. It also happens to us. If we look at the sun, our eyes will naturally become narrow. Our eyes will naturally become half open. And if you look at the sun for a long time, for some time more, tear will come down from our eyes. The same thing happened to the children. They breathed fresh air and listened to the silence, which held them in a blessed sea of no sound. So they are in a world of soundless world. It is a world of peace. And they were enjoying the silence of the new world. They looked at everything and savored everything. Savored means enjoyed, and they were enjoying everything. Then wildly like animals escaped from their caves. They behaved like the animals who were escaped from their caves, who were released from their caves. They ran and ran, shouting in circles. They ran for an hour and did not stop running. They were running, they were enjoying the scene. They were enjoying the sunshine. And then, in the midst of their running, one of the girls wailed means cried. হঠাৎ করে একজন কেঁদে উঠল. Everyone stopped. The girl standing in the open held out her hand. Oh, look, she said, tremble মানে কাঁপা, vibrating. কাঁপতে আরম্ভ করলো because of fear. She said, trembling. The children gathered slowly to look at her open palm. In the center of it was a single large raindrop. The girl began to cry looking at it. A raindropটা দেখে মেয়েটি কাঁদতে লাগলো. The children glanced quickly at the sky. Now they looked at the sky. They realized that the 1 hour is gradually passing away. They glanced quickly at the sky. They looked at the sky. A few cold drops fell on their noses and their cheeks and their mouth. The sun faded behind a cloud of mist. Gradually the sun was gradually disappearing behind the mist of cloud. A cloud of mist. A cold wind blew around them. A cold wind began to blow. then they turned and slowly walked towards their underground houses. So they now realized that the sun will finally disappear, and they will again, the world will be again full of darkness, and they will be in the world of darkness once again for 7 years. Their smile vanished. So they realized that the day of joy, the time of joy has vanished. A boom of thunder startled them. Startle মানে যেন চমকে দেওয়া, একটা বাজের শব্দ তাদেরকে চমকে দিল। বুম অফ থান্ডার, বজ্রপাতের যে দুম দুম ঘুম ঘুম করে শব্দ হয় সেটা তাদেরকে চমকে দিল। দে বিকেম স্টার্টলড, দে টাম্বেল মানে হুমড়ি খেয়ে পড়া, মানে একজন আরেকজনের উপরে পড়ে যাচ্ছিল। দে টাম্বেলড আপন ইচ আদার অ্যান্ড র্যান। দে অল ট্রাই টু come to the tunnel as quickly as possible. Oh, they became really afraid. Lightning struck all around them. The sky darkened into midnight in a flash, and within a very short time, it became totally dark. The children stood at the doorway to the underground houses until it was raining hard. They were waiting until it started raining hard. They had no desire at all to enter into the underground tunnel once again, but they knew that they had no option. They waited for the last moment. If something miracle happens, then they closed the door and heard the gigantic sound. Gigantic means huge sound of the rain falling everywhere. Then they began to listen the sound. They were habituated to listen to the fall of rain, the storm, and the thunder. Will it be 7 more years before the sun comes out again? They asked the teacher whether it will take another 7 years before the sun come out once again. The teacher replied yes. After getting the answer from the teacher, they became really dejected. With pale faces, they became sad, they became dejected. Their joy is over. They looked out of the window at the world that was raining now. But they looked out of the window, they looked outside, and in the outside they found that it was raining continuously, and it was raining hard, raining steadily means continuously. It was raining continuously outside. So they entered into the world of dejection, into the world of sadness, into the world of sorrow once again, from the world of joy, from the world of sun, after only 1 hour. So they enjoyed 1 hour, and after 7 years they will get another 1 hour to have the same enjoyment. Till then they will have to wait for another 7 years to get the sun for an hour. This is the message of this is the story of lesson 5. Thank you very much.